To do it or not to do it? To do it or not to do it? That is the question. And ironically, in his bathroom it said, God is good all the time. So is God the one who said I should do it? Or is it my hormones? Because I let that hoe go in 2017, but the itch is back. But I don't want to be no sinner. I'm no sinner. It's time to pray. Dear God, I've come to you humbly and in surrender because I don't want to be no hoe.
Don't be no hoe.
Try to come out, Lord. And I just want to pray.
Pray, child. Pray.
That if this hoe don't come out no more.
Let the hoe go, babe.
I left you in the past.
Yes.
No. He's fine.
Amen.
Give me strength,
Give this
Lord,
phone
and
a
this
whole
soul,
strength,
and
Lord.
give me the discernment to keep it going, to keep the celibacy going.
Oh, Allah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
But damn, he is so fine. Who am I kidding? Girl, you know what to do. Don't mess it up. Every girl has needs. It just depends on what you need at the moment. And right now, I need to leave. I need to leave. Okay. See you later, fine ass guy. See you later.
Dang, I know. But it's just...
We getting out of here. In Jesus' name.